mi gino pi kero do ni kere yo ngo me go ko mi kita me chik mi ro kere pia ko la karwa neno ati panes fe secondary to wono do ko bino ma ko pertinyi nena nywalo bi cielo ti nena ma kar lo nyo be feros do jo do hare do do ko ti la kana pola situation ngo por pe neno situation ngo be successful la wono do ko cielo dano pieno no ti come no ti at risk e ka en be safe
me cielo meta mo kamaleng ni Ducatino che poi la saprojo me inere te winyawa keni ground and farming procedures tia me down on kwanya me no doko number pistol number do adi level AK-47 unyo this shot I mean this I'll share with you that one later. So you are a medaram no kere doko match needed him applying, get him applying, uti kere district security committee, union state security committee. I'm again very paying in that meeting, uti receiving application ni, they vetting in, that they lungi to nano, that they confirming ngo chi amemero in no kere. Personal do me go me life threatening situation and go meti bore mio in no do so pere technique one do jame tikere mire meti ma flying me be kere pistol no do for personal protection jamno do you want through the process now Peketia Paul ni one thing no incidents that made up become abused of these small arms and made bojo. Now take a repair ni cases that may want to register Paul work do you justice work issue war na record. Eto pero katieni miri me compensation ti Roma mala me petwaya. Mana parang ka lo case me do ken we take the cases me nek the community metia tie you know me court chungoni king me mi ngora tira kom dano me beke balti come no don where dano cha relative no go cha bero go ping jotia penyuka bad expenses jotia penyuka chuluku and all that now a moment they gam chente me barrios ko gam chente me chuluku these are the same people I may me wo record ko ka ko ta wan no pe kere ngo pe kere ke so ara kene dana cha me ti mbali so ya gi ke me no ko dan peti kere ker mor me tim ka gino ken dan me releasing dana cha pien ngata mir wo chung mo ga teni nyo testifying nyim ko te yes dan no ti mbala mana kom dana te wo record da permit testify te wo record da me kwa ko ra ye me ngo me gonya te mbalo ko so enemy want to carry those challenges. Peki one can pull out tamwa ikop me upenyu chene me yik me upenyu chene me kuo. Cases what do you be successful? Arache lawyer down the bedi gen ka kingegni ka never down ka jona ungo jona uchulu kuorko and that marks the end of everything. I mean no petty gina be so quiet there ni ko mi kare chik ke mere ke nga me no be ke balti come me yo nang jamdu you wara be apo
Kero penyo ni
why people should have firearms. You've not said why the firearms acquisitions. You were about to say it, but then you jump on to.
so I speak in English this time.
now.
Yeah penyo la
No, let me do it.
Ngo mio dano mi rubet kere duku ikome.
okay mano explain about it
no mera ko ke tikere bora ikuoni in piri keni tikere geni bora moro tieno abine kuona in che ron tim gena ngo ke tikere pistol you don't protecting yourself yape eto dam pistol po me ata yen mi dan kong you were training non punyero romo twin mi nang At what point do you pull out your pistol? Okay? Cha mene chi aminde kwanya pistol li pieri me tikerni kuno tika kano check. Pien cha kenda tida le tama me pedang mera meni inde tune level no. Eta no cha kenda joken tiyu kerka me bragging just to show off I have this thing. We have seen men in town here. They move with pistol. They want even they open their shots. Jo mero na mero nyot kan yor ni ana ticket. In any case, you are inviting more threats to your life than kum ngata ticket do ko mir peda ngati ni ticket. Eto ticket jo ame and me akoga and these are people who are untrained. Pianga you know for your romo mir peda ngati ni ticket do. Okay? But in Oka Joken, they want to remove their shirt, that is just bragging. And you're inviting that on you. So it is unfortunate.
Man ka keru baya ka batoko.
Kamo?
Ka batoko keru baya.
Eh, moda wini Joken kwanyo ko keru ka meja ba no tia matoko. Sa ken nang kerba man no me chulu chene me. I think that is wrong. One mere forward level a me chaka nyod. I think Guinea the Mero, our district security committee, your city security committee, we regulating. Otherwise, you know, need to go out don't take a do. Which are why you're in the US, you're in the United States of America. You take a do everywhere. And I mean, and train a bad Rom Chaka mate. Then you can around Chaka take care do no. Met him robbing you. Eh? And it is possible.
Okay, kado tieho jokene no bora kwagi ye bo jati kero to kilo ko ke ni jokene waro kero me ya jokene kero kana ler ti jokene me dan no ji mu ke kere eto pe uchielo ke kere romo ya ba
No, you cannot point a gun. Even me an kong chimu na atimu chia mane kumi. I'm telling you, the level of training, kayin work training and bad. You do not have audacity to point a gun at someone. It's very dangerous. That is one of the worst things I mean in the team. Then a moment the bullet is released, so the mere petit danga do to tum pedok tieni awodo joyi ko de kate dugura yo mara pa petit dan wora twali dan to no to for good. Ruin me okay yes anu me da kwan duguna from my west. Make them action no don't it okay kwanka just to scare. It is not proper. It is not proper.
okay na ke
Piani agike mere. I don't know why the police are reporting ni dano buar keringo. But depends on the circumstance. Kache ko padana cha metikere do when he was at risk. Yes, he has the power to pull it out because that is why he was issued with the gun. Take the toy pulling out and do what and defend himself. That is the point I made down on do me.
members me public na unge yo ni ngani ngata me tikero do ni unu yora ba tikere license to
Well, it is you know, member of the public not supposed to know that I have a gun. Why should you question me? It is now. Can you take a gun down a pono or you are a bear? You tip security. Tip security through maybe a formal complaint. And we shall share with you. But one porong don't you are near Tin Marion take a duo, Winnie take a duo, Dennis take a duo. No, we cannot do that. First of all, Berikere it is something which is personal. Ina permitting ni itikere do or I have. Some others have moved with pistols. You may not know. Even I can go to a place and make you checking it down. Unless I'm on a walk-through machine. I can move with a pistol and not get that I have a pistol. That is a level of training I may not be doing. Just to show it's very bad.
Why is it?
Ano po tam ni pire tek ginore kena mete der ngeni ye of bore particular normal way me complain bini police me ko meri Te timo cho come quera te temedan ya gikemer te mini ngai kame luper kere kora meno in me poe matai. Mena puru and Kamdini. We have interested ourselves, we put our intelligence on ground, and we believe within this period of festive season, we are going to recover that gun. The team who are using it, let them continue. Actually, they should continue using it because it will widen our scope of intelligence. So it's unfortunate, but we are closely following. We call for support from members of the public that any hint, any clue you got on ground, kindly share with the DPC, Electom, any police substation, whether Kamdini, whether Loro, or even calling us at the region. It is highly welcome, so that we have a breakthrough on this to create sanity in the community in which we live in. One gun can terrorize the whole region. Very, very bad, yeah. If 7 guns can take over government, how about just one? It's not easy. So let's do yours. The rest
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.